another unboxing video. Today it's another Walmart beauty box, but it's the Mindful Beauty one. I think this was one of the ones you opted into that wasn't just part of the base subscription, so we're gonna go ahead, reach in here. We have, hashtag Walmart beauty box. So in here it's got a list of all the things you could get. Alright. Are they all guaranteed that we'll get, though? That I don't know. Nah, some of these it's like you'll receive one of these two, and then the other one. So, okay, I get it. The Mindful Edit, a limited edition lineup of products made without sulfates, parabens, and phthalates. Tag hashtag Walmart Beauty Box to share your box. Okay, so, reaching in blindly. I mean, first things first is just like the big item because it's impossible for my hand not to hit it. And we have another one of these lovely candles from Woodwick. This is, Woodwick Mini Hourglass Candle. Full size is $16.87, and this is, I don't think this is 9.5 ounce. No, this is a 3 ounce version. So this is not the full size. This is a mini version. The full size would be 3 times the size of this, but let's see here. Fill your home with the invigorating fragrance created by a natural wooden stick that crackles as it burns. I got one of these from one of the Walmart beauty boxes. This one's in elderberry bourbon. Ooh. Oh, hello. So nice. Okay, so I can't really describe even what that scent is like, but it's just really rich and really like autumnal and super nice. I would absolutely buy a full size of that. That is amazing. But the Woodwick makes me a little bit nervous to burn it because I'm scared that it'll throw more smoke, which is not good in this house with my mom. So, plus, I mean, I'm also asthmatic, so smoke in general doesn't really get along in this house, but if it's not a real smoky burning one, almost matches my hair, I just realized too. When I first colored it, it probably would have, but now it's kind of faded down. I need to do it again. But, yeah, I will have to find a day to play with this, maybe when she's not home or something, but she's almost never not home. But I will definitely use this. If nothing else, just to sniff it as aromatherapy is hella nice. Like, my goodness. That is worth the price of admission right there. I forget what I paid for this box, but I can guarantee that is worth more than, like, the cost of this box. So then we have this Real Techniques Miracle Air Blend Sponge. Feels nice for blending and mattifying. This is full size, and it costs $4.88. I literally bought one just like it from Shop Miss A that was like $1. Evenly blends your foundation, blurring fine lines and imperfections for a radiant streak-free finish. I mean, we can compare them. Use damp or dry to apply foundation, wet before the first use. Okay, why do we wet it before the first use? Nobody has explained it to me yet. Airlight foam hugs the surface of skin for smooth, even coverage. 3-point precision application for natural matte finish. Flat edge, apply and cover. Round sides, blend and blur. Precision tip, conceal and perfect. Best when used dry. So why do we wet it if it's best when used dry, motherfuckers? I'm sorry, but like, I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Why are you telling me to wet it if it's best used dry? I don't know. Next in here, I feel a bag. Oh, it's got 2 things in it. Oh! What the hell? Hold on. This is a bottle of Hello Extra Freshening Mouthwash. I didn't even know they did mouthwash, but this is with activated charcoal, so it's probably going to stain your mouth black. With natural fresh mint and coconut oil. The full size of this, which would be 16 ounces, this is not full size, this is 3 ounces. The full size, 16 ounces, costs $6. Made with activated charcoal from sustainable bamboo, this alcohol-free black rinse keeps breath next level fresh. But again, they admit it's black. I'm very, very nervous about that. Don't know how I feel about that. Then, a sample size of Alfalfa Authentic African Black Soap All-in-One. Full size is 3 ounces. What I have in my hand... Or no, full size is 32 ounces. My bad. What I have in my hand is 2 ounces. The full size is $12. This gentle detoxifying multi-purpose black soap is made with certified fair trade unrefined shea butter and suitable even for the most sensitive of skin. Oh, I'm sorry, it's Alafia. It's not alfalfa. I apparently can't read. I just realized that. Okay, there's like 2 more things in here. Shouldn't there have been... I think I got ripped off, because there's supposed to be one product from the brand Clean, and I definitely do not have one of those. God damn it. Why do they do this to me every time? We have a Burt's Bees Squeezy Tinted Lip Balm, retailing at $5 that I already have. It's the Sweet Peach one, so I'm probably going to just sell it on eBay. Provides a light, healthy-looking shine with a hint of natural color, enriched with responsibly sourced beeswax and hydrating cocoa butter. Again, would really be a lot happier if they'd actually remembered to give me the Clean product I was supposed to have. Given I could have had a lavender chamomile night cream, which would have been hella nice, or a grapefruit water gel moisturizer. Very disappointed in you, Walmart. Very disappointed in you. But the last thing I did actually get was one of the Bliss products. There was 2 you could have gotten. This one is the Bliss Clear Genius Clarifying Cleanser. It is, again, a sample size. The full size is 6.4 ounces and retails at $13. This purifying cleanser goes deep to clean out pores and keep skin balanced, clear, and calm without dryness or irritation. I'm double checking just to make sure I didn't drop anything, but no. No, I am clearly missing a product, which really sucks, but at the same time is really just standard for the course when it comes to the Walmart beauty boxes. This happens to me like every other time, whenever it's one of the opt-in ones, and that really sucks. But what can you do, right? What can you do? It's just a big tease seeing what you were supposed to get, but I'm still grateful for the ones I did get, though, because, I mean, they're very nice, but yeah. Anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you like to help support it, get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. The donation link, as always, is down in the description too. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.